Hey there, my name is David and I'm part of the Keevo team. We've created a few tutorial videos for you called Keevo courses. Our goal is to get you up to speed in how to set up and use your Keevo Model 1 quickly. And we hope this video will answer any questions you might have to make this easy. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up and restore your Keevo Model 1. To do this, you will have already downloaded and set up your Keevo Link application on your computer. Plus, you should now have your Keevo Link account set up, connected your Keevo to your computer, and made sure that your firmware on your Keevo is up to date. Now in this video, we can show you how to easily and quickly restore your Keevo Model 1 device. When you connect your Keevo Model 1 to your downloaded Keevo Link application for the first time, you'll be presented with three options on your screen to set up your Keevo. You can 1. Set up your Keevo as a new Keevo wallet, 2. Restore your Keevo from your carbon key, or 3. Restore from seed phrase. To restore your Keevo with your carbon key, click on option number 2, Restore from carbon key. The carbon key is a unique feature from Keevo not provided anywhere else that makes it simple and easy to restore your account and crypto on your wallet without having to keep a secure recovery seed phrase, manage it, or enter 12 to 24 words in a specific order on a wallet. This way, nobody can get a hold of your seed phrase outside of the wallet. We can make your seed phrase secure so that nobody can take a photo, write down, and be available for others to enter into another crypto wallet to steal your digital identity and all your crypto. We think that seed phrases are incredibly inconvenient, but they are insanely insecure as well. Restoring your private master or new replacement Keevo from a carbon key is both very easy and convenient, and also incredibly secure. Unlike entering a seed phrase into another device, the whole process takes 30 to 60 seconds at most. Like when you set up your Keevo for the first time, check the serial number on the back of the device and enter it into the app. Again, be sure to enter the 4 letters, AAKW, and then the 6 numbers underneath it. Next, you can give your Keevo a nickname so you can easily remember and identify your device. Then connect your carbon key to your Keevo device. Enter your password and scan your fingerprint on the reader. Once you've completed the setup process, you're all set. You can now use your new Keevo hardware wallet and Keevo's downloadable application link to manage your digital identity and crypto assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask us at support@keevowallet.com.